We now have our headings and our lists in place. At this point, let's add an image. So we can see we have our image placeholder text. We'll replace this with the image element, which is spelled IMG. And an image has an attribute called source, SRC, and that refers to the location and the name of the image to be displayed. Also notice that an image is a self-closing element. It has no closing tag. HTML contains some elements like that. Now, you can go online to lots of different places for images. I'm showing you Shutterstock here, where you can purchase images, and you can also download images for testing purposes, but they'll have their watermark. Just be careful of wherever you source your images to make sure you're not engaging in copyright infringement. But Shutterstock is one of many image bank sources. So in order to display an image in Replit, it must be hosted somewhere else on a hosting site. And Imgur, IMGUR, is a very popular image hosting site. So you download from Shutterstock, upload to Imgur, and then you would refer to that link inside your HTML. So here, if you do use this, make sure you refer to the direct link, the one with .jpg at the end. That's the actual image, a JPEG image. So copy that direct link. Let's go back to our project and paste in the URL, the web address of that image. Pretty straightforward. And there you have the image. So download from one source, upload to a hosting site. You don't have to do this with all editors, just with Replit. And there you go. We now have our title, our image, our subheadings, and our lists.